Here we have a 2018 Subaru Impreza wagon. All-wheel drive. We have some damage here. Put it right here. Damage. You can see the door. It opens. It's just slightly pushed this way here. We gotta pull it back. We're gonna start taking out the light. You can see it's just this quarter panel, nothing else. And then we have here the fender, which is all jacked up. We'll probably end up getting a new one. See no damage there, so it's just the fender. 2018, 77,000 miles. We got the crush bar. It's all messed up. We have to pull it from there. We just pull it this way and pull it back. And of course, straighten out this right here, this section here. Well, that should be it. So let me go ahead and put you on a time lapse and let's get going. This is a new project. Let's get it fixed. This is what we have here. Inside. Not a lot of damage, just here. Sections right here in the front, right here, on the back. And I believe the tire has a upper control arm that's bent a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and fix that, but we're gonna adjust this here first. So let's go ahead and put some time lapse again, and let's keep on going. We'll do it here, taking off some screws, some Phillips screws. Take off all this. I just want to get all the way to the bare metal so I can see what I'm working with. Make sure you save all this stuff. If you have a Ziploc bag, get one. Now memorize where all the stuff you're taking off, Make sure that you can put it back where it goes. Tabs. Take all this stuff out. You gotta remove the seat. Get access to the trim. Hidden right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. Off. Now we can put everything back in. We're gonna keep everything inside the car. Put that in there. Just keep everything out of the way. You want to keep everything together, so alright, so here's the damage. Here it is. It's mainly just on the exterior. And here it's a little crumple here. We're gonna pull this out. Once we pull this, we can push this down and it'll even out. Here, as you can see, this is just a little, it's not that bad. It's a little bit, but this is worse right here. We're gonna pull this and we're gonna push that down. And once we start pulling this way, we'll be able to knock all this back inside in place. Nothing here is bent, it's just mainly here, just here. Ooh, there's a crease right here, but we'll fix that right there. Once we start pulling it, it should all go back. There's nothing here, everything here looks good. There's no, yeah, so it's just here and here. So we just gotta pull that out, pull it back, and it'll release this, and it should be good. All right, as you can see, I mean, it's still pretty even. It's just a little bit off, but we'll fix that out. All right, put you back on the time lapse. All right, so here's the damage. We kind of pulled it out a good amount. Pushed it out. We still gotta finesse the stuff there. The trunk way better. The light, we already make sure that it fits. Had a buckle here, pushed it out from the inside out. We got another buckle here, we gotta push it out, or pull it out actually. And then we got this right here. Seems like it's been repaired before. That's probably the reason why it's all weird right here. So we're gonna go ahead and sand it down, all the way to bare metal, and pull this thing out and straighten it out. There's a little buckle here. So we're trying to pull it, but it just won't do it because like the metal stretched or something. So let's pull it out, and of course, like I said, we still gotta pull some of this out. I think that'll work, and that should work. But yeah, so let's do it. Let's get it. All right, so here's where we're at now. We're on the body. We're doing the bundle. It's real light. All the way down right here. We pulled it out. Now it's just finessing it, making it smooth. You can see it still have like a low spot here. I don't know if you can see it right there. And a little high spot right there and down there. So once we're done with that, then we'll go to the next one, which will be the resurface primer, and we keep on going. Here's where we're at. We just got to change the tailgate, align it. But you can see the bumper's already pretty good fitment. The headlights, I mean the tail lights. So moving forward pretty good. Now I didn't record the welding of everything there, sanding it down, the welds, and then of course putting the bondo. It takes a long time when you're really tapping and you're trying to get stuff done. But this is where it is. Now I just gotta sand this down 180. Then when we do 180, we'll put the resurfacer primer, sand that down, and see where we're at that point. But other than that, the bumper, the lines up good. Bumper to the tail lights. Shows the door now that's messed up. Can't open the batteries off, but there you go.